Next, we're going to look at the SQM Research Valuation tool. From a property report page, we can launch into it by clicking "What's this property worth?" and hit go. Once we're inside the system, what we're presented with are a number of tabs. The first tab we'll look at here is the Property Details tab. Now, if the property doesn't have a description in terms of beds, baths or car spaces, we can enter them here. Another key feature we can do is we can change these values if we'd like to know the impact of adding a bedroom or a bathroom as part of a renovation. Let's leave it as it stands, with a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom and 0 car space unit in the eastern suburbs. The next thing we'll look at is the comparable sales page. Here we can pull up photos and look at photos. We can look at properties that are truly comparable. But the first thing what we want to do is look at how do we optimize the comparable sales that we want to work with. By hitting remove and replace, what we can do is obviously replace properties, comparable sales that we don't want in the system. In this case, looking down the list, we're relatively happy with what we can see here, although we do know that this particular block here, number 3, is a very nice street with some significant water views. So what we'll do is we'll leave that for now, but let's just say we'll leave it with these 6 here. We're quite happy with these 6 comparable sales. Another thing we can do as well is look at the Map tab and do the same thing. If we find a property that we don't want in the mix, we can remove it and replace it directly from here, and that will take us back to the comparable sales tab. So that's how we start. We find the 6 matching sales that we're happy with, and in this case we're delighted to see, or we're very happy with what we can see here. We can see that they're all 2-bedroom units, they're all 1 bathroom, and in the case of a few of them, typically the first 2 here, we do have car spaces, but the computer has already accounted for that. So when we move to the next section or a next video, we'll go through the process of how we optimize the result by moving the sliders.